Hey Brian, my name is Lee Turbianic and I spoke with you earlier on the phone about shooting you this free custom video. I've been doing some research in your area and I came across your website, so I figured I'd shoot this quick video to show you 3 things you can begin today to beat out your competition online. I'm not trying to waste either of our time, so if by the end of this video you've liked what you hear and become more interested on how we can grow your business online, give me a call and we can chat. If not, no harm, no foul. Just take the tips I've given you in this video and put them into action for yourself. All I ask is for some feedback, and that's it. So let's just jump right into it. The 3 major things I want to cover today is 1, content, 2, citations, 3, backlinks. So first things first, content. Now content is basically anything that you can see on the front page, including pictures, what they're saved as, and what's behind them as well. So as we scroll down, we can see you don't really have much content, and this kind of looks like an older site to me. Maybe 100 words on this homepage, which is greatly affecting you for people that are looking for your service. You have to think that Google is a machine. It's a bot. All it can do is read. So if you don't have enough information on your homepage about what your services are and what you're offering, it can't rank you according to. So the more content, the better. Content is king. Like I said, Google likes to see typically around 1,500 words on a home page, and that'll give you enough space to fit in your keywords without keyword stuffing. But we'll get into your keywords here in a little bit. And I want to break down Google for you. As we go down here to this bottom, this is where people rank for their actual websites. So the top guy here is hairplumbing.com. So I wanted to see what kind of content he had on his homepage. And as we scroll down, we can see that he really doesn't have much content on his homepage either. So if you were to go out and get that 1,500 words on your homepage, you'd easily beat him in that aspect and go up above him 1 notch. So let's go back. This is the Google homepage. I just did a normal search for plumber, Fayetteville, NC. Now, Google's broke down into 3 sections. This top section is ads, and companies pay to be up here. It can get very costly if you don't run them effectively, and honestly, it's a money pit. If you're ranking in these other 2 sections that I'm going to show you, it's unnecessary to be paying cost per click fees. So let's talk about this second section. This is the Google Map Pack, or Google My Business Pack. So as you can see, Woods Plumbing is in first place. Now, what dictates your ranking in this section is a citation. A citation is your name, address, and phone number listed in directories across the web, such as Yellow Pages, Yext, City Star, BBB, YouTube, Facebook's even one of them. And the more the better, along with good reviews and keeping up to date with pictures on your GMB. So if this top guy has 10 pictures, you want to have 15. Just one step better will get you a lot more business. But the main reason we're talking about this is the citations. So I have a local citation finder called WhiteSpark CA, and I put Woods Plumbing in to see how many citations he has, and it shows me he has 27 citations. That's not a lot, and if you look on this, you can see that these citation sources aren't created equal. This is the actual domain authority that's transferring power. So we want to go after these strong ones, because as we go down, you can see they kind of limit the power, so they can become spammy. If you get like a question mark, that's more than likely spam site, and it's not going to transfer any power. But all these red ones, we can go in and submit all these for your business. And then I'd like to go and get 100 to 200 more added to your site, not only to beat him and start gaining traction and get you up into this top 3 map pack, but also that'll get your name, address, and phone number in more directories across the web so people can find you, right? So let's go back. Now the third thing that I want to talk about is this bottom section, the organic section. And like I said, that has to deal directly with your website. This GMB listing is completely different. So as you can see, Hair Plumbing is in first place. Now I have another tool I use, it's called Ahrefs, and this will give me a basic overview of your whole site and your stats. So this UR and DR number is very important. You can see I put McKenzie Plumbing in, and it's showing me your UR is 10 and your DR is 0.7. Now this goes up to 100. So 100 being the best, 0 being the worst. So this UR is your overall page strength and trust, and this DR is the strength of your backlink profile. Now a backlink is any other website that links back to your website. And just like a citation, they aren't created equal. So you want to get strong, relevant backlinks from websites that are in the same niche as you, or construction websites, Because if Pizza Hut were to give you a backlink, it's not going to transfer as much power as, say, another plumbing. I'm sure you've seen a backlink before on a website. It's most likely blue writing. You click on it and it takes you to another website. Well, that's considered a vote. That's that website stating, yes, I vouch for this website and will send my traffic to this guy. I know he's legit. And like I said, Google loves that and eats it up. The more backlinks, the better for your ranking. So as you can see, you guys have 18 websites giving you a total of 72 backlinks, but you only have 4 do follow links, which these do follow links are the ones that transmit power. So you want to go out and get some more stronger backlinks to start adding to your website, and I'm going to show you how we can do that. We're going to go to your competitor here, and as you can see, he has a little bit higher score. He's got a 28 and a 2.3. Now, we want these numbers to be as close together as possible and as high as possible. So a 28 and 28 is the ideal number to have. They call it the golden rule, the ratio of 1 to 1. So as you can see, he has 82 referring domains, only giving him 478 backlinks, but only 44 do follow links. So that tells me he's not up above you guys by a lot. And the best part about this is we can go into his referring domains, click on his link type, and go get all his powerful links that we know it got him into first place. So we can go get these, and then we add a bunch more to really go up above him and beat him in the rankings. And in due time, you'll start to see your website getting to the first page on Google. So let's go back. I want to touch base on keywords. So as we go to yours, you can see you have no keywords that you're ranking for. So Google keywords are very important. That's what people are actually typing into Google each and every month to find, say, plumber near me or plumber Fayetteville, NC. So you have none because you have no content on your homepage. So if we look at hair plumbing, we see he has 251 keywords, bringing in a traffic value of $3 grand. So if we look at his keywords, we can see Plumbingville, Fayette, NC, 600 search volume, and it has a KD of 8. Now this volume is a monthly search volume. That means that this keyword is being typed 600 times each and every month. Plumbing Fayetteville, NC is being typed by 600 people looking for a plumber, and it's a KD of 8. Now this KD is from 0 to 102, just like the UR and DR, 0 being the easiest to rank for and 100 being the hardest. So if it was a 0, that would mean nobody is trying to rank for this keyword and that you would most likely rank easily for it. If it's an 8, that means there is some businesses trying to rank for it. So well, there's a lot of search volume in your area that you're missing out on. And as you can see, he's in second position, first position for a lot of these, and we know we can beat him out. Plumbing Fayetteville, 608. Plumbers Fayetteville, NC, 608. That's 1,200 searches alone just off of 2 keywords. So if you had 1,500 words on your homepage and we throw these throughout it, that's going to start bringing them clients that are actually typing this to your page. And if you start building them backlinks and power to your website, you'll be on that first page and you'll gain a lot of traffic from this. You can see he's getting 84 traffic by being in the second position. That's 84 jobs he's getting off 1 keyword. So let's just go through and see some more. Plumbers, Fayetteville, NC, 100 searches. Fayetteville Plumber, 100. Fayetteville Plumbers, 80 and 7. Plumber Fayetteville, 70 and 4. Plumbing Company Fayetteville, NC, 50 and 8. So you have a lot of business that you are missing out on by not getting your website in order, and I would love to help you out with that. Like I said, let's do a quick recap of what we talked about. Once again, we talked about content. Your homepage needs at least 1,500 words, and as you can see, I forgot to point this out, your website isn't secure, so when anybody even tries to go onto your website, it's going to throw a red flag to them, so they might even think it's spam. So I would love to really help you out with this. But anyways, 1,500 words on your homepage so you could fit those keywords that we were talking about throughout. You could put 1 per every 100 words so you can get about 15 on your homepage, and then you add power and then you'll start ranking. The second thing we talked about was citations, your name, address, and phone number listed in directories across the web. I would like to add 200 to 300 of these to your business name and beat out these guys by a landslide. Plus that's going to get your name, address, and phone number in more directories. And the third thing we talked about was backlinks, which is what ranks you in this section. You want to You need more relevant sites pointing at you guys to show Google that you are the authority, and if you implement these strategies today, you could be #1 across Google. I'm psychic, remember? So I bet you're wondering, what now? Well, you can either go with this information I provided you today and do this on your own. I'm totally cool with that. But if you want the most effective route and you want to save yourself the time, you can give me a call, 570-240-5257. Once again, my name is Lee and my number is 570-240-5257. I look forward to hearing from you guys, and I hope you have a great day.